Welcome to the world of ACU's revolutionary cold roll forming machine. Designed specifically for the cooling tower industry, this machine is a game changer. With our ACU cold roll forming machine, you can manufacture all steel cooling tower profiles without the need for additional machinery. No bending machine or CNC punching machine required. Our machine is an all-in-one solution, enabling you to complete all the necessary steps in one place. From start to finish, it's a seamless process. And the best part? You only need one person to control the machine. That's right, a single operator can handle the entire production. Plus, our machine can run continuously for 24 hours a day. That means uninterrupted production and maximum efficiency. Say goodbye to complicated production processes and hello to the simplicity of ACU's cold roll forming machine. Are you ready to revolutionize your production line? Discover the power of our ACU cold roll forming machine today. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.